sometimes occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. To provide the most consistent and dependable location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can sometimes occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. To provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for all counties in the state of Connecticut, and for Nassau and Suffolk counties on Long Island in southeast New York. Once again, this was only a test. The attention signals you just heard will automatically activate special receivers to warn of the impending hazard. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm feature will vary with distance from the transmitter. This test is conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, but may be postponed if there is hazardous weather in the region. In that case, the test will be held on the first available good weather day. We now return to our regular programming. Specially programmed receivers are alerted for specific watches, warnings, and advisories. Next fair weather day. Test of the NOAA weather radio and same alert systems. Here are 11.
Alright, now let's start from the top and go down.
An actual emergency. Official
Much.
urgent for the state of Maine.
1067! 1063.
Coordinated monthly
1059. 1047.
Of our
Follow the
1019.
alert tones.
1019. 100.9. Nice. 98.9.
State of Maine. If this were an
92.1.
actual emergency, official information would follow the alert tones.